Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, investors are stepping back in the wake of the Afghanistan turmoil and a noticeable slowdown in China. But in New York, the latest factory survey there shows business activity continued to expand, although growth was markedly slower than last month's record-setting pace. New order levels dipped, but unfilled order levels rose as supply constraints don't show any easing. Prices paid and prices received, both are expanding at record rates. And better than expected private consumption along with better than expected capital expenditure both powered the Japanese economy to a better than expected expansion in the June quarter. This growth comes after a weak first quarter when it contracted 3.7% and dismissed the possibility Japan had slipped back into recession. But it's not all good, however. Many analysts expect growth to remain modest in the third quarter, if at all, as the state of emergency curbs reimposed to combat the spike in the pandemic infections weigh on household spending again. There was more data released overnight confirming the slowdown in the Chinese economy. Tighter credit conditions are biting along with the pandemic lockdowns in parts of their economy too. The recent flooding isn't helping either. Chinese retail sales in July significantly missed expectations, rising 8.5% from the pandemically affected July 2020 and only 7.2% above July 2019, which is quite the come down for them. Industrial production turned in a similar big miss. China needs to get this slowdown sorted because it's facing significant labour market pressure, and that is according to the views of the top of the Beijing government. It now says it will prioritise employment with its fiscal and monetary policies while their labour market remains under severe pressure. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 1.26% and down 2 basis points, and the price of gold has risen $7 from this time yesterday to $1,787 an ounce. Oil prices are $1 softer from this time yesterday, so in the US they're just over $67 a barrel, while the international Brent price is just over $69 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today at just under 70.2 US cents and marginally lower. Against the Australian dollar, we're at 95.6 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're at 59.6 euro cents, both little changed. That means our trade-weighted index is still in the narrow range between 72 and 74 we've been in for the past 10 months. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.